Good day, everyone. Today we are going to tackle about media and information literacy. Objectives. A. Understand and identify the different types of media. B. Explore the technical aspects of creating interactive media, including web design, multimedia software, and programming. C. Design and develop interactive media projects that engage user and communicate information effectively. So that's the objective of this module. But before we continue, let's go with motivation. Guess the picture. What is this? Yes, you're right. It's Twitter. And another one. This is so common today. Yes, you're right. Facebook. Another one. Yes, YouTube. And another one, WhatsApp. The last one is TikTok. So that's the motivation for this module. Manipulative and interactive media and information. Quarter 2, Module 8. Definition of terms. Interactive media is a method of communication in which the program's output depends on the user's input and the user's input in turn affect the program's output. What is interactivity? Interactivity refers to the communication process that takes place between humans and computer software. So, that's interactivity. Another one is media platform. Media platform is a service, site, or method that delivers media to an audience. So, this is the media platform. It is a service, it said. Another one is social media. Websites or online services where users, actual person, are the creators and consumers of the content and where social interactives, commenting, liking, posting, and talking are the main features of content. So example of this are Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Another is virtual reality computer, generated simulation of a three-dimensional image. So that's the definition of terms. Activity 1. Discussion. Manipulative and interactive media. First, interactive media. What is interactive media? It says that interactive media is a method of communication in which the program's output depends on the user's input and the user's input in turn affects the output. Interactive media engage the user and interact him or her in a way that non-interactive media do not. Websites and video games are two common types of interactive media. Interactive website refers to an internet page that uses different kinds of software to create an interaction between users and its content. Interactive media. This is interactive media. Interactivity refers to the communication process that takes place between humans and computer software. Interactive media includes the following. First, mobile apps. Second, 3D Second, 3D TV, video games, role-playing games, massively multiplayer online role-playing game, interactive websites such as poll, surveys, and exam, virtual, virtual reality immersive environments, and social media. Ways of interacting in the internet. A. Online shopping. Compares prices, compare features of similar items, add to cart. B. Online games. Choose a game, play with computer. C. Online class. Interact with content. D. Chat. Group chat, search groups, or interact with instructors. E. News and information. Exchange informations, give reaction, news on demand. F. Videos. Choose your own adventure. Get multimedia content, experience game elements. Types of interactive and their purposes. A. Click on pages. B. Hotspot. A special region to act as a trigger to another web page. C. Rollover. An image or portion of an image that changes in appearance when the mouse cursor moves over it. D. Tabs. Clicking on them displays relevant content with the appropriate graphic. E. Timeline. F. Numbers and processes. G. Slideshow. H. Frequently asked questions. And I. Flip cards. What is manipulative media? Manipulative media in the context of education are physical tools of teaching, engaging students visual and physical with objects such as coins, blocks, puzzle, and markers. Types of manipulative media. Traditional manipulative media. Traditional manipulative media is actually being used in certain schools, wherein they use different materials that the student can use to have hands-on experience regarding the lesson. Number two is virtual and digital manipulative media. With the dawn of the digital age, education should keep up with the interests of 21st century learners. And in order to do so, education have been merged with technical in such a way that students can learn more with the aid of these devices. Advantage of traditional manipulative media, hands-on learning, increased confidence, opportunity for collaboration, multi-sensory, variation in learning. And disadvantage of traditional manipulative media, not available for everyone, increased confidence, disinterest on discussions and motivation for learning type expensive. Virtual and digital manipulative media. Advantage. Hands-on learning. Increased confidence and motivation for learning. Plenty of resources. Engaging. Attention grabber. Flexible and easy access. No cleanup needed. And disadvantage. Not available for everyone. Distraction. Dependence on them. Activity 2. Identification. Value subtopic. Exploring manipulative and interactive media is a crucial for understanding how media influences us, how to use it ethically, and how to critically analyze information. It helps us to develop media literacy, navigate online spaces, and make informed decisions about the content we consume. Assessment. Another assignment. And thank you.